Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel, English with Basraj sir. My name is Basraj. I request you all, those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell button. Today, we shall learn about the word order, how the words are arranged in a sentence properly. For example, uh, Sunil speaks good English. Here, Sunil is the subject, speaks is the verb, and good English is the object. So, object follows the verb. Smita reads a newspaper every day. And here also, Smita is the subject, reads is the verb, a newspaper is the object. So, we see the verb and the object goes together in a sentence. Uh, he speaks Tamil very well. We must say he speaks Tamil very well, but we don't say he speaks very well Tamil. I like Indian food very much. I like Indian food very much. In the same way, did you watch TV last evening? We invited a lot of people. We say here, we invited. Invited is the verb. A lot of people is the object. In the same manner, uh, Purvika often wears a black hat. Here, wears is the object verb and a black hat is the black hat is the object. I opened the door quietly. Opened is the verb and door is the quietly. Door is the object. We in the same manner we place and time go together. Always keep the time after a place. We, for example, ಅಂದರೆ ಟೈಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ಲೇಸು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟೈಮ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಲಲಿತಾ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಎವರಿ ಡೇ. ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್? ಐ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಬೆಡ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮರೆಯದೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.